In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. This process is crucial if you need to make significant updates or changes to your site without leaving visitors in limbo. Putting your site under construction is a thoughtful way to communicate to your audience that improvements are coming. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we'll start by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is the central hub where you can make all the necessary changes to your site's design and structure. If you're not already familiar with how to get there, simply log into your Wix account, and you should see your sites listed. Click on the site you want to edit and choose to edit it in the Wix website editor. Next, look for the Pages and Menu option, typically found on the left side panel of the editor. Clicking on this will display your current site structure, showing you all the pages that are presently live on your website. This panel is your gateway to managing the layout of your site's content. Now, we're going to add a new page that will serve as your Under Construction page. Click on the Add Page button. You'll be prompted to choose a page type. Here, you want to select the option for a landing page. Landing pages are perfect for this purpose because they offer a simple layout with minimal distractions, directing your visitors' attention solely to your message. Once you've selected the landing page template, the next step is to give your page a name. You might call it something straightforward like Under Construction or Coming Soon. This label will help you easily identify the page for future edits or changes, especially if you have multiple pages on your site. After naming your page, click on the Done button to finalize adding it to your site. You should now see it listed among your other pages in the editor. The next thing you'll do is manage how this new Under Construction page will appear to your visitors. Click on the three dots next to your new page's name and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Layout options where you'll want to ensure that no header and footer is selected. This keeps the page clean and focused, without unnecessary elements from the rest of your site. You'll also want to hide this page from your menu. Again, click on those three dots next to the page name and choose Hide from Menu. This prevents the page from displaying in your site's navigation, ensuring it only appears when you set it as the home page. Finally, to make sure this Under Construction page is the first thing visitors see, go back to the same three-dot menu and select Set as Home Page. By doing this, anyone visiting your URL will land on the Under Construction page immediately. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now officially under construction. Keep in mind, once you're ready to relaunch your site, you'll want to revisit these settings and switch your homepage back to its original page. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.